Okay, we are walking to the backyard. I don't know how deep it's right now. Okay, that's about a foot, maybe two. And I walked back here earlier, and I was doing a video with my other balls. And here we are in the backyard, and there's the little sled. He's snowing. Oh, and we are here in my backyard with Emily. And she is sitting on that sled that we made for Lullabella. Getting ready for mommy to pull on her. Oh, it's snowing. It's so beautiful. I'll show you guys. Hold on. I don't know if you can see this. This is my umbrella. And I'm under the umbrella because it's kind of like a wet snow. And I don't want it all over me like that. These are all the trees in my backyard. Which I don't show you because it's a mess right now. But, yes. So we don't want Emily to get so wet, so we're gonna bring her back inside. Stay inside and stay warm, people. Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye, Emily. Let's go inside and get some hot cocoa. Okay? Bye, titties.